David here, weekly weeklet. Today is Saturday 28th of April, 7:34 in the morning. Market obviously closed. Looking at the November contract, new crop UK 2018, and we've got the yearly monthly bar chart in front of us. We can identify here we're in a green month here at April as we're coming towards the end. 146.85 was the close. This preceded, reversed this negative month we had month previous, and we got a slight upwards sloping channel well above the 60 SMA, which is red line falling down here, and we've got the 30 short SMAs coming up and underneath it. Pop down the monthly chart, we can identify this big green candle here reversing this fall of March the previous month here. We're above the short-term SMA 10 on this, which is the green line here. Pop down into weekly. We can clearly see here we've got a nice trend back in place again at the moment. We've got these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positive candles here. Where's the SMA? The SMA 60 is the red line here. All the moving averages are now coming to align themselves. What have we got here? We've got the 30 coming below it, that needs to cross above it, but we've got them. The short-term one is above the 60 SMA, got a positive green candle here for the week, testing this high of last week, and we're above the last swing high but seen back in February. Let's pop back down to the all-important daily, and let's see what we can see on here. Let's draw our eye to the swing high here, which we've identified at 147. So we can see that. When we look to the left here, we can identify the next swing high up here as obviously coming in at 150. What can we see? We can see the price is above the 60 SMA, this red line here, and it's going up. We've got the 10 SMA here on this chart on green. The price is above the short-term moving average, and the 30-day SMA is in blue. That's going up as well. We're above the envelope, 3% envelope, showing that we're positive. The market is broken above this swing high here and held above it. We've had a close above it. We've had now 3 days trading clear above it, closed at 146.85. We've got the stochastic now turning back up again here, and we've held the center line here, the 50 level here. So what can we see for next week? Well, my eye initially catches this swing trade here, we can look at, which I would see the current pattern in place, which is a 1, 2, 3 move. We've identified this as a last swing high here, as we had here previously, 147. So that would be the natural place for the market to go and test. Where will we see things change? On the base of this would be right down here. Sport would come in at 142, but obviously alarm bells would start to ring if we saw a close below this 60 SMA, which at the moment stands at 145. So my indications for next week is a continue on of this upward move we got in present to go and test the 150, and I'll put an update this time next week.